Hello, math learners. Welcome to a new deep dive. Building on our previous talk about probability distributions, we are going to explore the hidden mechanics of data spread. Most videos show you the formulas, but skip the geometric story. In this video, we want to show something exciting, the physical balance point of your data, and why standard deviation is the ruler we use to measure uncertainty. Imagine an archer shooting at a target. The mean is simply the average position of all the arrows. Think of it like a physical balance point. If we placed all these hits on a wooden plank, the mean is the exact spot where you could place a pivot to keep the plank perfectly level. It represents the center of gravity for our dataset. But the mean only tells half the story. Consider two different archers. Both have their average hit right in the bullseye. However, the first archer has a tight, consistent cluster, while the second is wild and scattered. To describe this difference, we need to measure the spread, or how far the hits deviate from that center. To calculate this spread, we first look at the distance between every single arrow and the mean. We call these distances deviations. If an arrow is to the right, the deviation is positive. To the left, it is negative. If we simply added these distances up, the positives and negatives would cancel each other out, leaving us with 0. To solve this, we square each deviation. Squaring turns every number positive, ensuring that every arrow contributes to our measure of spread. More importantly, squaring penalizes outliers. When we take the average of all these square areas, we get a value called the variance. Think of variance as the total area of the cloud of arrows around the center. High variance means the cloud is wide and thin, representing a lot of uncertainty. A low variance means the cloud is tight and dense. While variance is mathematically powerful, it has one problem. It is measured in squared units. To get back to our original units, we take the square root of the variance. This gives us the standard deviation. If the variance was the area of our error, the standard deviation is the average distance of a hit from the mean. It is the most common way to describe how much we expect a single data point to vary from the average. Let us look at our two archers again. Aisle 5, the consistent archer has a low standard deviation, meaning most hits are very close to the bullseye. The wild archer has a high standard deviation, meaning their hits are all over the place. In the world of data, a low standard deviation signals reliability and predictability. These measures are the building blocks of the normal distribution, or the bell curve. The mean tells you where the peak of the curve sits, while the standard deviation determines how wide or skinny the bell is. In a perfectly normal set of data, about 68% of all points will fall within just one standard deviation of the mean. We have seen how the mean finds the center, variance measures the squared spread, and standard deviation brings it all back to a scale we can understand. Whether you are analyzing stock prices or archery scores, these tools help you find the signal within the noise. If you found this geometric perspective helpful, subscribe for more deep dives into the logic of data science. Subscribe if this helped you understand the spread of data.